When'd you go to work?
6 o'clock.
Okay.
I left around like maybe 5:45.
Okay.
I went to work.
Okay. Well then,
What?
what happened then?
I worked until about, I think it was 12 or 1, one of them. No, 12-ish. Came here, took like an hour nap, and then I went and picked her up. Went to Fallen Creek, came here, laid her down, no, gave her a bath, laid her down for a nap, and went to go get food.
Okay. Who was watching her right now? No one. How long were you gone?
Maybe 20 minutes.
Maybe 20 minutes. Sure? Okay. Why did you leave her alone just now?
Because I was just going across the street to get food.
Why didn't you take her with you?
Because she was asleep.
So you think?
I wake up at 1 a.m. in the morning.
So
Okay.
You think your negligence?
First of
I'm
all,
far from
do you know what the Florida State statute is for child neglect? Because this absolutely meets the requirements for it. Who was were alone in that room?
Under me
No, we're
Putting
talking about
my trust
Florida
in that
State
box
statute.
and the safety of this apartment
If something was-
or
okay.
hotel complex,
Okay.
whatever.
So I don't think you're understanding, though. We're not talking about somebody intervening. Wakes up and starts coughing, has a medical emergency. Something where somebody to go, hey, something's wrong. Who is going to respond and go, hey, we need to do something about
Okay,
this?
so what's the difference of being in a house and her being in a different room? What's the difference in that?
You are
Is that
in the
negligent?
house with her.
But
She is
you
under your
can't
supervision. So the matter of the fact is, she was alone.
No. Patrick, come back.
Okay. You don't want you.
Please.
This is good. Okay.
Hey Siri. Patrick, hang up. Hey Siri.
You got anything on you?
No.
No weapons on you, nothing like that?
No.
Okay.
We're not playing these fucking games with you.
Hey
You
Siri.
understand me? All right. So.
Call UCI.
All right. So.
Okay. So,
Hey Siri.
hey, that's enough of that. You understand? We're trying to figure something out. You're being difficult with us right now. How old? She's 1 year old. Can a 1 year old take care of themselves in a room alone?
So we placed you on restraints because this is a criminal act. Okay? Just like you were trying to be smart and be like, oh, what's the difference between this and that? Because you're going to go to jail. Okay? That's the difference. All right? You want to act smart? You want to be smart about it? That's fine. We're not here to play games with you. Okay?